After a big rain, Speedway Meadows was full of puddles, shiny, splashy puddles everywhere. Zippy's headlight eyes went wide as saucers. "Look at all those puddles," he squealed. His little antenna bounced up and down with excitement. Zippy revved his little engine. Vroom, vroom! He charged at a tiny puddle and jumped right over it. Boing! Water splashed everywhere like a fountain. "Did you see that?" laughed Zippy. "So much fun!" Then, Zippy spotted a big puddle, a really big one. "I can jump that too," said Zippy bravely. He zoomed forward and jumped, but splash! He landed right in the middle. Oops! Zippy's little wheels spun and spun and spun, but he couldn't move at all. The puddle was too deep. Water came all the way up to his bumper. "Help!" called Zippy. "I'm stuck!" Then the ground started to rumble. Thump, thump, thump. Big Rumble rolled up and looked down at little Zippy stuck in that puddle. He smiled his wide, warm grill grin. "Need a hand, little buddy?" Rumble drove right into the puddle. Sploosh! The water barely reached his big bumper. Being the biggest truck in Speedway Meadows had its advantages. "This puddle is nothing," Rumble laughed. His deep engine rumbled happily. Rumble gently nudged Zippy with his big blue bumper. Slowly, carefully, he pushed his little friend toward dry ground. Squish, squish went the mud. "Almost there," said Rumble. "You're doing great, Zippy." Zippy shook off the water. Splish, splash, splish. His whole little body wiggled like a wet puppy. Water flew everywhere. Rumble laughed so hard his big bumper rattled. "You look like a sprinkler," he boomed. Zippy found another puddle, but this time he was careful. He crept up slowly and dipped one little wheel in first. Not too deep. "I think I can make this one," said Zippy, his antenna wiggling with determination. Zippy backed up, revved his engine, vroom, and launched forward like a little red rocket. He sailed right over the puddle and landed perfectly on the other side. "I did it!" cheered Zippy. Now, Zippy couldn't stop. He jumped puddle after puddle after puddle. Boing, boing, boing! Each jump bigger and splashier than the last. Rumble cheered from the sideline. "Go, Zippy, go!" he boomed proudly. Then Big Rumble joined in too. They splashed through the biggest puddle together. Mega splash! Water flew up to the sky. Best puddle day ever. "Same time tomorrow?" giggled Zippy.